start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to try this 4-in-1 nail glue gel that I got a couple of weeks ago now from Saviland. So this can be used as just a nail glue, base coat, slip solution, and just to strengthen your natural nails. So this is just your typical nail glue gel that you get with these full cover tip kits. But this one is pink, look, and it's a really nice colour actually. It's like a nude pink. I really like it. It's really opaque as well. So it's not quite a builder in a bottle. It's a little thinner than that, but it is a thick gel. And I'm also going to use this top and base coat as well. This came with some cute little accessories. I like that. So they're big 15ml bottles as well. I'll leave all links below. These are off Amazon. I think Saviland have got a website as well. I'll leave that below. So a quick bit of nail prep. You need to push all your cuticles back and then get rid of any dead skin. Just scrape away any dead skin around your cuticles. Most of this is just product that I had left on from the previous set. So I'm just going to get rid of all that. Then you need to scratch up the surface of your natural nail. Not too hard, you don't need to scratch away at your natural nail. Just get rid of all that shine and just scuff it up a little bit. Get it chalky and crusty looking. And then I'm going to give them a good clean with some alcohol and a nice little nail brush. So I'm going to use my Venalisa dehydrator and my Venalisa primer. And now I'm just going to do a nice thin even coat of this base coat. I am using my left hand today guys, so please bear that in mind. If I look a bit caggy, it's because I'm using my left hand. So I've cured that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So these are the tips that I'm using. Medium square. I'm going short today guys, and I do file these down quite a lot as well. So these are pre-etched. I got these off Amazon. If I remember, I'll leave the link for these below. Really cute little tips. I like them. And I'm using my Posh Melody Susie lamp. So this is completely wireless. And it's got a really bright LED light so you can see what you're doing. And then when you're ready to cure your nail, you just press that button and it turns to UV. I love it. And you don't need to keep it plugged in. You can just charge it up. It's got a really long gooseneck on it as well. I love it. So I'm going to use that. So with this gel, I start by doing a little strip down my nail. I do this whenever I'm using full cover tips and glue gel, and then I put a little bit inside the cuticle area of the tip. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. And then I start by pressing it down at the cuticle area, and then you'll see me just push that gel up the nail. Once that gel covers the natural nail, stick it straight under that lamp. I love this lamp, I absolutely love it. And then once it comes out of that lamp, I'll stick it in my big lamp then for a full cure. That little lamp just freezes it in place, doesn't it? Got a little teeny bubble there, but it's alright, I'm going to cover that up. Doesn't that look good? I love the colour as well. I really like the colour of this. So again, a nice thin strip down my nail. A little bit more in this cuticle because it's a bigger nail. And again, I'm just going to press it down at the cuticle area, push the gel up the nail, and stick it under the lamp. I love this. So quick, so easy. So I will let you watch me doing, I think I'll just do one more and then I'll do the rest off camera. So that is them all on. Look at them. how straight and even and neat they are. I love the shape of these tips, you know. I do. Very short for me. So I'm just going to file around the cuticle area now. I like to get rid of just the edge of that tip that you can see. So I'm just going to quickly file around all the cuticle area, and then I'm going to use a buffer and buff off all the shiny surface. So that is them all buffed and filed and neatened up a bit now. So I've pulled some little French tip kind of stickers out. French tip? Yeah, French tip, that's what you call them. These are a little bit shorter than the nails, so I do end up filing them down a little bit. So I am just going to stick one of these on the tip of each nail. So I'm just using tweezers to get it in place. And then I'm going to press it down. I'm so sorry, I keep going out of shot here, guys. It's because I'm using my left hand. I'm slightly just not used to it. And any that's hanging over the edge of the nail, I'm just using a file just to file it off. And I'm going to seal these in one at a time so the stickers don't peel off. And when I'm sealing it in, I like to brush up the sticker like that and down the sticker, just to seal them edges in before I brush over it. Because if I brush straight over it, some of the top coat might go under it. So yeah, you'll see with the stickers, I kind of seal the edges in with the top coat first, and then I'll brush over it with the brush. So I'll just let you watching. I'm just going to stick a couple more on, and again I'll do the rest off camera. So that's all my stickers stuck on now. Like I said earlier, the tips are a little longer than these stickers. So I'm just going to file the tip down now, just till it meets the top of that sticker. I'm going to give these nails another buff as well, just because the stickers are a little bit raised. I like my nails to be super smooth. So I'm going to give them a little buff, just to get them super smooth, and then I'll top coat them one last time. Super quick, super easy set of nails. Very short, but I like them. There we go, guys. How easy were they? Super, super easy. And I quite like them. They are short. I think this is the shortest set of nails I've ever done, if I'm being honest. Really short, but yeah, just an easy way to do a set of nails, isn't it? Look at the length difference. Wow, I like the shape as well. Anyway guys, that is it for today. So that is the 4-in-1 extension gel. I'm not sure if they've got it in other colours, you know. I think this might be, obviously they've got it in clear. I think this is the only other colour they've got so far, but I could be wrong. I'll leave links for that below, and I'll leave links to this top and base coat set as well. Unfortunately, I don't have discount codes for Saviland, but if there's any coupons from Amazon, I'll leave them below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.